Today's tutorial is all about headstands. Let's see how we can do it easily. Headstand is all about core. So the first drill is activation of the core. We'll start off with some plank walks. Make sure your core is absolutely tight and fired up at the end of this drill. Next up, we will attempt to do dolphin pose to plank. Now, dolphin pose requires a little bit of hamstring flexibility, so you might not get it first, but keep attempting the mountain pose and you will get to dolphin. This makes this easier for you to float into a headstand instead of kicking up. Now we'll attempt the headstand. Make sure your head is flat on the ground. The distance between your elbows has to be in a complete triangle, and you have to hold your skull like a ball, like catch it really strong like a ball. And from here, like we did in a dolphin pose, we'll straighten our legs up and we'll walk as far down as we can. And from there, instead of kicking up, I'm going to fold one leg in, tuck the other leg in, and I'm just going to stay here. I'm not attempting to kick up and get my legs straight. I need to balance here first. Next, we'll try to do the full headstand. For this one, I want you to do the same thing. We will walk forward, tuck one leg in, tuck the other one in, find our balance, and when we're ready, we'll straighten our legs up, keeping our glutes tight, keeping our core tight. Now, it's tempting to do this next to a wall, but you will actually never learn how to float if you keep using the wall. I highly recommend doing this tripod variation. This is easier because you know where you place your knees, but this comes with a little bit of neck strengthening. So if you're feeling strong, you can try this variation. And once you are comfortable doing a headstand, we can look at some variations. You can do a straddle, and from there we can start doing some floating. You can play as much as you want. I hope you like this video, and we shall see you next time.